Hello everyone, welcome once again to another tutorial of colorstack.net powered by Slidescope. In this part, we are covering a very simple question asked by many students, that is, what is the difference between a data analyst and a business analyst? So, data analyst collects, processes, and analyzes data to extract insights and support decision making. They use tools like SQL, Python, Excel, and Power BI to create reports, dashboards, and visualizations. And their role focuses on identifying trends, optimizing business performance, and ensuring data driven strategies for organizational growth. On the other hand, a business analyst bridges the gap between business needs and technical solutions. They analyze processes, gather requirements, and recommend improvements to enhance efficiency. They use tools like JIRA, Excel, and Visio. They collaborate with stakeholders, define project scope, and ensure that business objectives align with technology and operational strategies. Here is a tabular comparison between data analyst and business analyst, which will help you in understanding the role of these two profiles. So first aspect is primary focus. Primary focus of a data analyst is to analyze data for insights and trends, and of business analyst is understanding business needs and solutions. Then comes key skills. So key skills required for data analyst is SQL, Python, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and similar tools. For business analyst, they must have key skills like business strategy, process mapping, communication, etc. Main tools, as you can see from key skills, are SQL. So you must be familiar with MySQL, SQL Server, or PostgreSQL, any one of them, or Oracle. So you must have good command over SQL language. You must have good command over Python language and its supporting libraries like Python Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, etc. Additionally, if you have command over programming languages like R, that will be best. Excel and BI tools is also the requirement for these things. For business analyst, if you have knowledge of JIRA, Confluence, Excel, Visio, that will be good for you. Aspect is data handling. So data analyst works with large data sets. On the other hand, business analysts work with business requirements and reports. Outcome. So the outcome for data analysts will be data driven reports, dashboards, predictions, etc. And for business analysts, it will be business strategies, process improvements. Role in projects. So the role of data analyst in project will be to transform raw data into meaningful insights. And on the other hand, role of business analyst will be to bridge the gap between business and IT. Decision making. So data analyst supports decision making with data trends, and business analyst defines business needs for decision making. Industries. Some industries for data analysts will be finance, healthcare, e-commerce, marketing. And for business analysts, it will be banking, IT, retail, and consulting. Big question is coding required for these fields? Yes, for data analysis, you often require coding and command over programming languages like SQL, Python, and R. But for business analysts, it is not always necessary. Then, stakeholder interaction. So, data analyst works with data engineers and data scientists mostly, and business analysts work with management teams, clients, IT teams, etc. So this is a simple comparison of roles of data analyst and business analyst. I hope you have understood the concept. If you have understood this concept and would like to explore both fields, Then we have dedicated tutorials for both data analyst and business analyst on our channel. Please subscribe to our channel and explore the playlist to learn more. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.